To get the best available deal for DreamHost, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link that you find there. You'll land on this page here. To get started, click Sign Up Now under the DreamPress promo offer. On the next page, you'll see the pricing options. For the absolute best value, select the annual billing option. This qualifies you for a free domain name for the first year and gets you the lowest monthly rate at $16.95 per month, billed annually. Next up, let's set up your domain. Choose Register a New Domain, and then type in the domain name you're interested in. In my case, I want to see if mattdhwpsite.com is available. Then we'll click Search. Good news, that domain is available. When you find a domain you like, go ahead and select one of the free options and add it to your cart. Now we'll move to the checkout page. Here you can review your order summary. You'll notice there are several pre-selected add-ons like Liftoff Website Builder, Dream Shield Protection, WooCommerce, and SEO Toolkit. Unless you specifically want any of these, I recommend unchecking them. Personally, I like Dream Shield Protection because it runs daily malware scans to keep your website safe, so I'll keep that one checked. The good news is that domain privacy is included for free, which helps protect your personal information online. Next, enter your payment details. I'll use PayPal for this, then fill in your account contact details. You'll also see an optional marketing email checkbox at the bottom of the page. I'll go ahead and uncheck that. When everything looks good, click Submit Order. After your payment is confirmed, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account if you chose the email sign-up method. Go ahead and create a strong password, then click Continue to DreamPress. You'll land on the DreamHost dashboard, where you'll see a banner that says, Your account is pending. Here's the great thing about DreamPress. WordPress is automatically installed for you, so there's no manual setup required. However, this setup and approval process can take several hours to complete. When your account is approved, DreamHost will send you a few emails. The first one you should open has the subject Immediate Verification Required. Click the link inside to confirm your contact information for your domain registration. After that, return to your inbox and find the email with the subject Account Activated, Complete Your Website Setup. Open it and click the link to access your DreamHost panel. If it's been a while, you may need to log in to DreamHost again. You'll be immediately routed to a starter website setup form. This is designed to have DreamHost create a WordPress site for you, but since we'll be creating our own website today, we'll skip this. On the left navigation, click Websites, then Manage Websites. Next, click the Manage button for your website. You'll be routed to your website management dashboard. On the right side panel, click Log into WordPress. You'll be automatically logged into your WordPress admin panel. Welcome to WordPress.